dad spend the day with me. What are you saying?
Blah.
Blah? Pets, thank you.
Blah.
Okay, Romy. Really cozy, Romy. Oh my God, I'm tired. We're ready for the day, huh? You sleep. Church. Gentle pets. So 1-year-old twins and they're both awake. So let's see how today goes, because you never know. This is Dad's spot next to Gustav. A lot of mornings we go straight to breakfast, but today I could tell just by their vibes they wanted to play. What? You do want breakfast right now?
Yeah.
Yeah? You can take Gustav. A car. Go in there. Berries. We have some good oatmeal. There's some oatmeal with some honey, bananas, and cinnamon. You're all done or more? Teaching them to help us clean. Okay, let's go get some clean outfits on. Fits. One cool dude right here. Cool girl. Go to LA and see Arlo, huh? Are we gonna go see Arlo? And I'm gonna do their hair, but they're playing for a sec, so I'm just gonna give mine a little fix. Oh, good job. Beautiful. Cool. They don't have that frizzy bed hair. Things. Oh yeah. Get it. See how nice her curls look now? You're stuck? You're both stuck. Oh, I see you getting down. More Rockabye Bear. Babies are playing in their ball pit, having a great time. Coffee time for Dad. It's a little too quiet. Better hide in your house. See feet. You need to wash your playhouse. This story real quick, me and Popo. Me and Popo, dad and daughter date, huh? Okay, let's go. I would say that was a successful trip. Did you have fun?